It is scientifically clear that masturbation is normal. But to what extent? What is considered healthy and what is dangerous? And what if you can't hold back? Before answering these questions and discussing the title of the video, let's discuss the main idea. Well, we all experience sexual urges. These urges are a fundamental part of being human, driving us to seek out pleasure and satisfaction. It's human nature to crave pleasure and satisfaction. Whether it's enjoying a delicious meal, laughing with friends, or masturbating, these moments bring us satisfaction. But what happens when a normal, healthy desire transforms into something that dominates your thoughts and dictates your actions? When the pursuit of pleasure becomes an obsession, it can lead to stress and anxiety. This is the question millions grapple with regarding masturbation. For many, it's a natural part of life, but for some, it can become a source of inner conflict and distress. While often considered a natural part of life, especially for men, the line between healthy sexuality and compulsive behavior can become blurry. It's important to recognize when this line is crossed. When the urge to masturbate becomes difficult to control, impacting daily life and relationships, it's time to take a closer look. This compulsion can interfere with work, strain relationships, and lead to feelings of isolation. This isn't about shame or judgment, it's about understanding the potential consequences of unchecked impulses and regaining control over your life. In this video, I will give you exact action steps to regain control over yourself and leave masturbation for good. Let's get started. Chapter 1, From Ancient Wisdom to Modern Misconceptions. Masturbation has a long and complicated history, shrouded in myth, misinformation, and societal taboos. For centuries, it was condemned on moral and religious grounds, often linked to physical and mental health problems without scientific basis. These outdated beliefs created a culture of shame and secrecy, preventing open and honest conversations about sexuality. Modern science, however, paints a more nuanced picture. While occasional masturbation is generally considered a normal part of human sexuality, excessive engagement, particularly when driven by compulsion, can have negative consequences. Understanding this historical context and the shift towards a science-based understanding is crucial in navigating the complexities of this topic. Chapter 2. How pleasure can lead to compulsive behavior. At the heart of compulsive masturbation lies a neurochemical called dopamine. This feel-good hormone floods the brain during pleasurable activities, including sex and masturbation. While dopamine is essential for motivation and reward, excessive stimulation can disrupt the brain's delicate balance. Imagine a roller coaster ride. The initial thrill is exhilarating, but repeating the ride over and over diminishes the excitement. Similarly, frequent exposure to intense stimulation through masturbation can lead to a tolerance effect. The brain becomes accustomed to high levels of dopamine, requiring more intense stimulation to achieve the same level of pleasure. This can create a vicious cycle of escalating behavior and diminishing returns, ultimately leading to addiction. Chapter 3. The impacts of masturbation. While both men and women experience the effects of dopamine, societal pressures and biological factors can make men more susceptible to compulsive masturbation. Men are often bombarded with sexualized imagery and messages, contributing to a culture that normalizes and even encourages frequent sexual activity. Additionally, testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a role in libido and can further fuel the urge to masturbate. While not inherently negative, these factors, combined with easy access to pornography in the digital age, can create a perfect storm for developing compulsive behaviors. Understanding these unique challenges is crucial for men seeking to regain control and cultivate healthy sexual expression. Chapter 4. The ancient practice of semen retention. For centuries, various cultures have practiced semen retention, the conscious choice to abstain from ejaculation. Often rooted in spiritual traditions, this practice emphasizes the vital energy believed to be present in semen. While modern science doesn't necessarily support the metaphysical claims, there is growing interest in the potential benefits of semen retention for physical and mental well-being. Some proponents report increased energy, focus, and emotional stability when practicing retention. While more research is needed to understand the full impact, incorporating periods of semen retention could offer valuable insights into your relationship with your body and sexuality. Chapter 5. Mastering self-mastery. In this section, We will explore actionable steps you can take to regain control over your life and break free from compulsive behaviors. Breaking free from compulsive behavior requires commitment and a proactive approach. It's not an easy journey, but with determination and the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges. Here are some practical steps to regain control. These steps are designed to help you build a foundation for lasting change and personal growth. Awareness. Acknowledge the issue and its impact on your life. Understanding the extent of the problem is the first step towards addressing it. Identify triggers. Recognize the situations, emotions, or content that fuel your urges. By identifying these triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. Find healthy outlets. Engage in physical activity, hobbies, or social interactions to redirect your energy. These activities can provide a positive and constructive way to manage your urges. Limit exposure. Reduce or eliminate access to pornography and other triggering content. This might involve setting up filters, using parental controls, or removing certain apps from your devices. Seek support. Connect with a therapist or support group specializing in compulsive sexual behavior. Having a support system can provide guidance, accountability, and encouragement. Remember, change takes time and effort. It's important to be patient with yourself and recognize that progress may be slow, but steady. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Each small step forward is a significant achievement. You are not alone, and recovery is possible. With the right mindset and support, you can reclaim control over your life and move towards a healthier, more fulfilling future. Chapter 7. Benefits of self-control. So, what are the changes or benefits you will experience? Well, my friend, that's the good part. Before moving on, if you are finding any value in this video, all I ask is for a quick like and subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss the topics we will cover in upcoming videos. As you break free from the cycle of compulsion, you'll likely experience increased energy and focus. Without the constant drain on your system, you'll have more energy for pursuing your passions. Improved emotional regulation. You'll develop greater self-awareness and the ability to manage your emotions effectively. Stronger relationships. With increased emotional intelligence and self-control, you'll build more fulfilling connections. Enhanced self-esteem. Overcoming this challenge will boost your confidence and self-belief. Chapter 7. Let me share a story of my friend. Let's call him John. John, a successful professional in his late 20s, struggled with compulsive masturbation for years. Despite his outward success, he felt an inner turmoil that he couldn't escape. He felt trapped in a cycle of shame and secrecy, his life revolving around his urges. The weight of his hidden struggle grew heavier each day, affecting his relationships and self-esteem. Determined to break free, John sought professional help and committed to changing his habits. He began therapy sessions, read numerous self-help books, and joined a support group where he found solidarity and understanding. It wasn't easy, but with each passing day, he felt a renewed sense of control and purpose. John started incorporating healthy routines into his life, such as jogging at dawn, journaling his thoughts, and meditating in the serene environment of a park. Today, John is a testament to the transformative power of self-mastery. He has become a confident individual, excelling in his career and building stronger, more meaningful relationships. He's more focused, energetic, and confident than ever before. His newfound energy and focus have not only improved his professional life, but also his personal interactions. His story is a beacon of hope, proving that change is possible for anyone willing to put in the work. John's journey reminds us that no matter how deep the struggle, with determination and support, transformation is within reach. Chapter 8. A call to action for a fulfilling life. You deserve a life free from the grip of compulsive behavior. By understanding the science behind addiction, implementing practical strategies, and seeking support, you can break free and unlock your full potential. Remember, true freedom comes not from indulging every urge, but from mastering yourself and directing your energy towards a life filled with purpose, connection, and fulfillment. The journey starts now. Take the first step towards a brighter future.